Hi guys, how are you today? Today we're gonna learn how to make a user form in Excel with help of the DeepSeek. Even if you never made it before and then you have no experience with the coding, still it's pretty simple and easy test to do it. All you have to do, follow the step-by-step guidelines which DeepSeek's gonna provide us. So let's start it. We are interface of the DeepSeek and we're gonna type here create data entry in Excel user form with the two text boxes and two buttons, add and search, and add list view and raw reports and with grid lines. You can do as many text boxes you want, as much data you want, but for the tutorial purpose, I'm just gonna keep it simple. I'm just doing it for the two text boxes and two buttons and the two labels. So let's run it. It's going to take a little bit time. So once it's done, I will come back. Okay, we are back. And it took a little bit time. If I go up here, show you how long it's uh, almost took 179 minutes, which is almost like 3 minutes. And it gives us the whole process and thinking and reasoning. And after that, it gives us a step-by-step guide to create a data entry user form in Excel where we be with the whatever requirements we had. So first is saying step one, insert the user form. So it's telling us to press Alt F11. So let me open the Excel first. So we open the Excel here and click it here anywhere and we do the Alt F11. So now we have a user form right here. So we go back to DeepSeek and says what it says. And it says right click on your workbook in Project Explorer, go insert user form. So if we go back here and we go to work, insert user form. Or you also can go from here, insert and user form. And now you can see we have a user form right here. So let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay. And keep this one right here for right now. And let's see what's the next step. So in next step, it says add two text boxes for name and age. So we'll go back here and this is a text box. So we go one and then we're gonna hit control and drag it down. So we have it, two text boxes. We can select it together. We can go to format, align, and center it. Okay. And now we go to DeepSeek again, and it says add two labels next to text box and set caption to name and age. So we need to create two labels. So we go back here and just like it says, we need to create two label here. And again, we're going to do the control and drag it here. And we go here, format, align, and center again. Okay. And now it's saying the name should be first. Name. And then we have to go here and type age. Okay. We click this one, we click this one. And if we go here and we do it alignment for the center. Okay, and we also can change the font size, but right now I'm just gonna leave it like this one and I'm gonna bring it over here. Okay, now after this one, It says and two command buttons, set caption as add and search. Okay, so we go back here again, and this time we're gonna do the command button right here. I'll just give me one, and then again I'm gonna hit control and drag it down here. It's pretty. We're gonna align it to center again. Okay, here it said go and caption this one. Add, and this one caption is wants me to do search. Okay, now let's put this one a little bit close. Okay, now let's go here. And it says enter command. Now it's saying add the list view control. Okay. Uh, how to do that is telling us right click on the toolbox, Microsoft to check. So what is trying to tell us? If we go back here in our control panel, our toolbox, we should have this list view. If you do not have this one, then the DeepSeek is telling you to how to get it. So it's telling you go to toolbox here, and here you get the additional thing. And if you come down here, these all the controls here. So should be somewhere here, list right here. The list control, it should be check on. Mine is already check on. If you do not have the check on, you do the check on. All right. So now I'm going to click this one here, and I'm going to add the list view. And the list view should be list one, one. Should be, name should be list one, one. So we almost here. Now it's asking to double click the user form to open the code. So we're going to copy this one here, the first code. And if we come here, it's going to show you all the codes here. So we're going to go back here. We're going to do the double click here. What array is here? We're going to delete it. And we're going to copy paste it. And then we're going to hit 1 and we're going to hit 2. So after 2 enters, this form is full. Okay, so now we're gonna see what's the next step. So if we come here, it's also gonna give us a code to add data with the add button. So we're gonna copy this one here, and we're gonna go back here and copy paste it here. Okay, and then go all the way in the end and hit 2 enters again. And now it's giving us a third code for the implement and the search function. So we copy this one here and go back here. 2 enters and copy, paste. And then make sure you do that 2 enters again. So now what it's saying is saying after putting this one, I can run the, as you can see, I can run the So let's run this one. I can go run here. I can do the run here. So you see, now we got the user form already on now. And let's close this one. And let me see what it's saying. After that, it's saying insert our new worksheet names, sheet one. So we have the sheet one here in the Excel. And with the header in row one, name and age. So in row one is saying do the name and age. So let's do one thing. Row one, name and age. Okay, let it bring it little bit down here. Like this one. Let's do this one bold. Let's make it to 16 here. And we're gonna center it. And now we're gonna click this tool. We're gonna go all borders. I'm gonna click here. We're gonna go to view and we're gonna check off the guidelines. So let me give them a little color here. If I go here and start to black and text, we do the white. So here we go. So now we have this one, the sheet one, and in the row one, we have name and age on the row one. So now we go back here. Let me go to DeepSeek. And after that, this is saying, test the user form and test the data and search and whatever you want to do. So let's do one thing. We go back to uh, right here and we just change a little bit here. So I'm gonna click this one here and I'm gonna change the color here. I'm gonna go to palette and let me get the light brown color here. Okay, and you can play with this one little bit, like whatever is suitable for you. Because I'm not gonna do designing too much. So I'm just gonna leave it later. So now add some data here and we go here and we type Mike, Mike, and we do the age 26. And if we add it here, okay, there's something. Oh, sorry, we did not run it. So let's run it. Okay, so we hit the mic and we hit the age, and if we add it, it should be adding. Let me check. So I'm gonna run it again. Let's run it again, and now the name is there. So let me add it. It's not in some reason. Okay, I found the reason why it's not adding because we made a mistake here. If we go back here and we can see right here, sorry, right here, right here. We did not give them a names. For example, the text uh, little box right here, it will go back to text box, and this is a text box. And you see, we did not change the name here. So what we're going to do is telling us to put the text name here, and I'm going to do the copy here, text name. And if I go here and I type text name here. And then the second one, I go back here and text age. I'm gonna click this one here. We're gonna go back here and text age here. Okay. And then we go to command button and you see it told us to change it to command add. So click this one here and do the copy here. And if we go here and do this one here, and then we go here and same thing, it's the DeepSeek is telling us to do the command search. And we go back here and click this one here and do the command search here. So now you see that was the reason it was not going through. So let's run it again. And okay, so we're gonna run it again. And now if we add it, you see the mic has been added. So we're gonna add some more here. So that Katie and we age her, we add here. And as you see, it's also adding it in the Excel too. And let's do Tom 33. So that's how you make it. And also if you go like type here Tom and you do the search here, so it's gonna show you right here the Tom 33. So that's how you do it. And there's one more thing we want to do, and that's it. Let me close this one here and let me go to Excel here. And here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in the developer mode. I'm gonna insert, and I'm gonna insert the button here, the command button. And I'm gonna right click it and go to properties. And here, I'm gonna change it at data. It's not giving me some mistake I did. Sorry, I'm gonna have to type caption here. I put in the wrong thing. Add data. And now if I close it, it's gonna have name has been changed. And now I'm gonna do the right click here. I'm gonna do it here. So I'm gonna put a nice score here. So if we go back here in this, and you can see the form name is Userform 1. So what are we gonna do here? We're gonna go here and we're gonna right click it and check the properties. And then we're gonna see the view code. And here I'm gonna type user form 1 dot show. Okay. And we're gonna click it here. And if I run it now, it's gonna run it. So that's how you do it. And now we're gonna close this one here. We go back to the Excel. And now if I hit click, okay, I'm gonna close the designer mode here. And if I go here and add, and you see now it's got open. So that's how you do it. Now it's almost done, and you can change the colors. You can do whatever you like. You can make more text boxes here, whatever suits you. That's how you do it. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something today. It's pretty simple, easy. All you have to do follow the step-by-step guidelines on the DeepSeek. And in case if you get stuck somewhere, you also can ask DeepSeek uh, the reason you also can as the solution for that one.